Good morning students. Class 8 Mathematics. In geometry we will study about the construction. First of all we learn how to construct the quadrilateral. In this I will take if 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. If 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. For example, let us consider AB is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, CD is 6.5 centimeter, DA is 3 centimeter. And BD is equal to the 6.5 centimeter. So for better understanding, it is important first of all draw rough sketch diagram. Whatever the sides of the quadrilateral is given, you draw there and then draw the diagonal also. So rough sketch diagram is this. AB, you have to consider 4.5 centimeter. BC, take 4 centimeter. CD, consider 6.5 centimeter and DA is 3 centimeter and diagonal BD it must be 6.5 centimeter according to the question. This is the rough sketch diagram. So now we know in this only 4 sides of the quadrilateral are given and 1 diagonal is given. So how to do it? First of all, draw AB by the help of the scale. Everybody knows where is inches is written, where is the centimeter is mentioned. So this is given, AB length is the 4.5 centimeter. So by the help of the scale, you draw the 4.5 centimeter. This is the AB. AB is 4.5 centimeter. Afterwards, you are looking there. BD length is mentioned and BC is also given. So you can use the compass, take the BC length in your compass. It means take radius 4 centimeter because length of the BC is 4 centimeter. This you have to take in your compass and B as a center. Draw the arc. This is the 4 centimeter. BC is the 4 centimeter. So by the help of the compass, you have to take the 4 centimeter radius in your compass and draw this arc. After taking B as a center. And now one more thing you have to do is length BD is mentioned 6.5 centimeter. Take same center means take B as a center and draw the another arc of 6.5 centimeter. So B as a center I have taken in the compass 6.5 and later I draw this is the arc. And the length from this B to this arc, it is the 6.5 centimeter. Now, length AD is given the 3 centimeter. What we have to do is take A as a center. So centimeter. So A as a center and draw the radius of the 3 centimeter from the A. So A as a center, you put the needle of the compass here and draw the 3 centimeter arc. It will be intersect the 6.5 centimeter arc at the point D. This is the AD. AD is 3 centimeter. So now afterwards you may be join the BD also. You already got D point because these two arcs intersect at the point D. So let BD you know. So you will be make dotted line from B to D, and the length of this is the 6.5 centimeter. Now D point, you got it? So D as a center, because length CD is also given 6.5 centimeter. So what you have to do is take the radius 6.5 centimeter in your compass and D as a center. Now you have to put the needle of the compasses here and draw the another arc. It will be intersect the BC arc at the point C. This you have to take as a center. This is center and draw the arc of 6.5. So this we got it this. So afterwards you got it the point C because it is intersect the previous one arc at the point C. So you know very well this length is the BC. BC I told. This length of the arc from the point B, it is the 4 centimeter. You write here and join the point CD. You are getting this is the 6.5 centimeter. This is the required quadrilateral. So if the 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, so you have to follow these steps to make the quadrilateral. Now, next one is if 4 sides and an angle are given. Now, question is changed. Earlier I told you if 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Now I am saying to you, if 4 side and angle are given. So let us consider the example for this also. Now take the length AB. AB is, I consider this is the 6.4 centimeter. BC, I consider 5.8 centimeter, and CD, we can write 3.4 centimeter. This is 3.4 centimeter, and DA is the 3.6 centimeter. All 4 sides are given. Now angle is the, one more angle is given. Angle B is the 45 degree. This is given. Angle B is 45 degree. What did I say? First of all, make the rough sketch diagram. That's why you can easily understand what you have to do in the construction. So, you have drawn this quadrilateral ABCD, and now mark the length of this. AB given 6.4 centimeter, BC is 5.8 centimeter, CD is 3.4 centimeter. DA, it is written 3.6 centimeter, right there, 3.6 centimeter. And now it is given angle B is the 45 degree. So it means at the point B, we have to draw 45 degree angle by the help of compass. Now how to do it? So let's start. First of all, draw the AB length. This line segment you have to draw. So by the help of scale, draw 6.4 centimeter. A, B. This length is the 6.4 centimeter. Now you have to do one thing here. Angle B is given the 45 degree. So at the point B, you have to draw the 45 degree by the help of the compass. Everybody knows. If you don't know, please follow it, whatever I am saying here. First of all, you take any radius in your compass and B as a center. Draw the semicircle like this. Okay? With the same radius and put the needle of the compass here and draw the arc, this one, and now this is becomes as a center, draw the another arc like this. Okay? With the same radius, don't make any change in the radius. With the same radius, take these two as a center and draw the arcs. These will be intersected. So you will get, this is the 90 degree angle. This is the 90. As you know very well about this. This is 90. Draw dotted line by the help of the scale. You are getting this is the 90 degree. Now half of the 90 is the 45. You maybe take the same radius, otherwise you maybe take this, like this is the radius. As you wish, whatever you want to follow it, otherwise don't make any changes in the compass. Whatever the radius you have taken to draw the semicircle with the same radius, you draw the arc from taking these two as a center. Now this is and this is, these 2 points becomes as a center to draw the arcs. So first of all, you are getting this arc by this center, and from this center you are getting this. This will be, these two are intersecting and intersecting point meet with the point B. So this will be show 45 degree angle at the point B. This is becomes the 45 degree. Mark here 45. Children, you got it this point? Now you get the BC ray, but you don't know where must be the C point. So BC length is already given. I have drawn this rough sketch diagram. So length BC is the 5.8 centimeter. Now you have to take the 5.8 centimeter in your compass and draw the arc after taking the B as a center. If B is a center and draw the arc, it will be intersect 45 degree ray at the point C. Got it? Now what is the length of the BC? BC is 5.8. This length is the 5.8 centimeter. Afterwards, now you are getting point C as a center because length CD is given 3.4 centimeter. So take the 3.4 centimeter in your compass and draw the another arc after taking the C as a center. C is the center and draw the arc. This length is the 3.4 centimeter. Draw this. Now, afterwards, D length is given the 3.6. So, what we have to do is take A as a center and draw the 3.6 centimeter arc. This A as a center. If you draw the 3.6 centimeter arc, so the length AD is the 3.6. Join this. CD you join, this is the 3.4 centimeter. So now you will get the required quadrilateral A, B, B, C, D. This is the required quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 angle are given. Thank you. Now we will start the other things in the geometry in next session.